Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refund skin in Marvel Rivals. First thing you need to do is just open up your favorite browser and type in nestgames.com. Once you are in here, for example, you are in the NetEast Games website here. What you are going to do here is just basically click on contact. Once you are here, just type in your name or the in-game name that you have. For example, then your email of course. After that, in subject, just type in refund, and then in the message section here, just simply type in I accidentally purchased the Hulk skin or something like that. I really wanted to buy some other skin. How you consider this request of mine? I promise I won't do it again. Best regards, and then simply tap on this send message here, and then they will get back to you. NetEast Games will reach out to you for about 24 to 48 hours. Just go ahead and open up your Gmail or whatever email service that you use, and that's pretty much it. So that's how to refund skin in Marvel Rivals. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.